Hi, this is Ishta Analytics and welcome to my data journey. How is it going, everyone? In today's video, we will be exploring a data set of a mock online store called ClickMart. This is my first step in my journey of cleaning, analyzing, and walking you through my process. Along the way, I will also be sharing some tutorials, tips, and little tricks that I find helpful or interesting. So for now, let's explore this data. So in this data set, we have 15 columns and we have over 1,000 rows. So if you can see like this real quick, it's 1,031 rows. So the first thing I will be doing here, I will select all like this and go to filter. And now I can see in each column what does we have, so we can have an overview on what I'm working on or working with. So for the order ID and customer ID, I don't see an interesting thing we can see, just serial numbers. So we won't really be seeing this. We can go here to customer name and we can see that we have some little spellings mistakes that we can change later, rename it or something. But it's not the worst thing here, definitely. So we can see here on emails, we have a couple emails and we have also some blanks in this column, as we can see. But if we can see here in the first two emails, it's aliwong@gmail.com, aliwong@gmail.com. I was wondering before when I saw it the first time, it's written twice. I don't see any difference. But if you look closely, you can see here the AI and then AI. And then IA. So you can see the misspelling here, which caused this little problem that we will be cleaning later in the next video. So let's see what we have next. We have product categories, which is, I would say, the most important column here in this data set that tells us what this store is selling. So if we can see here, we have beauty, clothing, electronics, home and kitchen, sports, and let's see some products now. Definitely we have a lot here. We have basketball, blender, lipstick, shampoo, laptop, vacuum, all different type of things. And let's see here on the quantities. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 10. All right. And then we have 999. That's interesting. That's a really big gap between 10 and 999. And as I know, the store should be like for personal stuff, like you're buying for yourself or your family, so you won't really be needing for a 999 of something. But could be real, could be an error or a mistake that we can clean later. But yeah, you can see 999, a coffee maker. Even if you're opening a restaurant or, well, if that is used in a restaurant, so even if you're opening like a cafe or restaurant, you won't need 999 coffee makers, right? And smartphones also, that's impossible. But anyway, we will see this also in the cleaning step. How are we going to handle this? In the price unit, we can see that we have -5. Other price could be -5, but that could be also a little mistake or an error of data entry, and we're gonna figure out. We have also other prices here, and 19, 49, like 0.99. So yeah, it's just the prices. If you can go to the total price, you can see that we have a lot of minus numbers here. -5, -10, -15. Well, we will really have to think of how we're going to see this. The order date, let's see. Well, this data set is of 2023 and May 1st. This is the data set of that month. And let's see what is the shipping dates. Okay, same year, but we have April and May. And we have some blanks. So this is the shipping date. The order date was on May, and definitely a shipping date should be same month or the month after, but won't be before, right? Won't be in April, like how it'd be shipped before it's ordered, right? So definitely this is something we have to work on. Also the date format here, so messy. that we have, and we have a lot of blanks that we have also to fill and see what we can do with. So yeah, have interesting, fun thing that we can do in the cleaning. In the payment method, we have bank transfer, and then credit card, and then PayPal. Well, you can see this credit card, 3 different ways of writing it. We can just rename this again. So instead of, looks like that it's 3 type of payment methods, it's actually 1. So we have to rename this later in the cleaning step again. And let's see, we have countries here. We have Canada, France, Germany, US, and then we have United States and another US. Same problem again. We will renaming this, and yeah, same country, right? It is US, just 3 different ways of writing it, and that messes up the whole thing for us. Looks like there's 3 different countries, but just 1 country. So for the cities, let's see. We have Berlin, Los Angeles, and I guess supposed to be Michigan, right? We have to fix this. And then New York, Paris, San Francisco, and Toronto. Okay. Order cities. No, what did I say? Order status. Okay, we have here canceled, delivered, pending, and returned. So this is the status we have here. And this is our data. And yeah, it's pretty much, there's a lot of things that need to be cleaned. It's super dirty. The formats, the numbers, the minus, the blanks, a lot of things, the renaming of, and definitely this is not all. This is not all. This is the beginning from this filtering that give us like a overview of what we can face, but we can discover even more. But I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to do something very at the end, like just a little thing before we go. In where are we? Okay, in insert here, if we go to insert and go to, I recommend a pivot table to save time. I just want to have a very quick look, very general. This is not exact, definitely. This is not something we can rely on, but I just want to see, okay, yeah, this is it. I just want to have a very overview look on how many orders are canceled, delivered, pending, and returned. So if we can make it easier for now, and we can go to ranking here. So if we can see that the most ordered is actually pending, and cancelled comes in the 2nd place. Delivered and returned comes in the 3rd place. So we can see this store have some problems. So pending is the most ratio here, and definitely something is wrong happening with this store. Let's actually see what's going to happen after cleaning. Is it going to stay the same or is it going to change? That's it for today's video. If you made it all the way till the end, thank you. I really appreciate it. And I'm always open to any advice, feedback, or even opportunities. So feel free to connect. You will find all my accounts and links in my description if you would like to follow or reach out. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.